Hello guys, thank you for joining me again for another video. If you're not a subscriber, do hit the subscribe button. I am JujuFine01 and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you to my old and new subscriber. You guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and support, guys. So guys, for today's video I'm going to be doing a Valentine makeup tutorial. So yeah, I know I'm not wearing red lipstick. I don't know why people think you have to wear red lipstick on Valentine's Day. So you can do whatever you want to do. So I created this look for Valentine, so you can just put your twist and trick into it. But if you want to see how I came up with this look, stay tuned for this video, guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is to moisturize my face. I'm going to use a facial serum to moisturize my face. This helps moisturize my face. The next thing I'm going to do after this is to prime my face. I've been loving this primer by Fenty Beauty. I don't know, there's something about this primer that just like works for me. If you can't get the Fenty primer, you can always use any primer that works for you. The Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation, like concealer plus foundation. So I have a sample of this. The shade I'm using is in Ahmad. So I'm going to use an illuminator in between that, and the illuminator I'm going to use is by Eloise Beauty, which looks like this. This is supposed to make your skin glow, but if you're a dry skin girl, please stay away from illuminators, except you moisturize very well, because it dry out your skin. I'm never going to lie about that. Sometimes that's why I don't really use it often. So I'm going to blend using a damp beauty blender, like very damp beauty blender. Anyway, I'm going to link the review of this foundation up here for you to watch it. So now I'm going to highlight and contour. I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation to contour. I'll use the Georgiana and the Kiko concealer to highlight my face. I don't know why I'm missing these two concealer. You can just use one. I'm just being extra. The Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in 365. So I'm going to blend out the contouring first. I like to use my Real Technique powder blue in B03. There's nothing wrong using a foundation to contour. That's why we are praying for these brands to come up with more shade. Look at my cheekbone is chipped. I'm going to blend out the highlighting. So keep blending. I know it's hard work moving your hand about like this. The side I use in applying the foundation, I'm going to use this to blend everything. So there shall be no harsh line. There shall be no harsh line. Then I'm going to use the Sacha. I'm going to use Sacha Buttercup setting powder, my fave. So I'm just setting. I'm going to use the CoverGirl Queen's Collection Ebony Bronzer on the brush. Just like, who said the chocolate is enough? Who says so? Add more chocolate to your already made chocolate. Okay. This brush is doing magic. My brows, I will just keep it bra. No, I hate doing my brows. Doing a brow product like this. It has a brow gel and setting powder. So now I'm going to clean the brows using a concealer. For eyeshadow base, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Primer Potion to set that in place, because you need to set it in place, guys. I'm going to apply the powder underneath the eyes. Let's do my eyeshadow. I've been loving this eyeshadow by Fenty Cosmetic, and it's in the shade Jemima, and this retail for £19, and you can get 10% off on this palette. I'm going to take this color as a transition color. Yeah, this purple. Using same F brush. And up here, let's try this one. I'm having fallout from this one. Let's try and use my hand. Okay. I'm taking this one right here. I'm going to just use this to blend out any harsh line. Keeping it simple so that people can recreate the look if you want. The crazy. I'm going to take the Huda Beauty. I take the liner on this. So I'll use this for my waterline. I'll just blend this underneath the eyes. I'm going to take an eyeliner, and this eyeliner is by BH Cosmetic. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty blocking powder. This is the blocking powder. I like to go out with this. I always put this on my bag to block my makeup and also set my face. Apply blush. I'm going to use the Fenty eyeshadow palette as a blush. I'm going to use this shade. I like this shade right here. Who said you need to buy blush? Use your eyeshadow, it's fine. So I'm going to spray my face with my Maro Bodescu facial spray. Now let us glow. Let us glow in Christ. So I'm going to use the Eloise Beauty Get Glowed Illuminator in the shade Goddess. Makeup Addition Cosmetic. This is a powder like highlighter. I will apply a little bit of this on my hand. So thank God I'm using my finger. Apply this first. Vegas Lay lashes. To pour it on myself is the Makeup Addition. on the cover, so I'm just going to take that. A little bit of this goes a long way. Oh dear Lord. Oh, what a glow. Apply some on my inner tear. Now I'm going to apply my Eyeshadow mascara. My bottom lashes is not existing. There's not two ways about that. Contour and strobe lip set, which looks like this. I've showed this before. So now I'm going to use the lipstick. I'm going to line my lip with Georgiana Kukuloko. This is a meaning, the set. So I'm going to take the lipstick, liquid lipstick, and topper. The liquid lipstick is called Trophy Wife, while the topper is called Shameless. How beautiful is this? Look at that glow. Like, I'm glowing on the eyes, I'm glowing on the lip, I'm glowing on the face. Like, nobody can tell me nothing. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. I just wanted to appreciate you guys. I just want to say thank you. And if you are not already a subscriber, please do hit the subscribe button before you leave. And happy Valentine, guys. I just want to share love to you guys and tell you happy Valentine's Day. And I just want to say, be blessed, love yourself, be true to yourself, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.